Yeah, it works. Okay everyone, you can see that we have a Bosch hammer drill, and the problem, it's very basic, it's just not working. Nothing. Yep. Okay, let's try to open the handle. Okay, what can we see here? We can see that the brushes looks good, like new. Okay. We can check the copper plate here. Looks nice. Okay. Let's check the power cable. Okay, we have continuity here from the cable. We have two wires from the switch going to the field, so probably we can try to make measurements on them. One is here and another one is here. I will just try and find a way to safely connect the probes here. Let's try to turn it on. Yeah, we can see the voltage. I hope you can see on the multimeter. So we are searching for the fault in the field, probably, or in the connection here. Okie dokie. What we want to do now, we want to get our brushes a little bit lifted out. Okay. And we need to open it. We got the hammer casing out. Now I need to go with the motor. I hate that bit holder. Okay, what we have here is the connection. And I want to get a connection. As you can see, I have this connection and I don't have another one. As this one is connected, I think this must go here. We have some dust or something similar here. This one was here. Yeah. Now we can inspect other parts. Basically everything looks nice here, but as you know, it's not working. So Take out a switch. Take out the brush holder, because sometimes we have these blades broken. Now they're not look broken. This one for the connection, this for the field. Okay. Have it. Have it. Okay. So it's getting a little bit strange. The armature not looks bad. Let's try to get it back. Okay, we have connection here. Yeah, basically we have connection. I will install it back, and I need to test it again. Of course, we have no tightened the field inside, but don't think that it will be a problem. Just making sure that springs will go here. I think the brushes are not touching the commutator. Yep. The brushes are not going easily. The brush holder. Yeah, as you can see, the one holder is bended here, I think, and this one is bended here. That looks strange. And this one looks as new, so probably it can be the problem. I don't know, maybe customer have changed it or something. Don't know. The history of this tool. Let's try to connect the wires. Okie dokie. Let's insert the switch. The cable. Okay, I hope I have connected it. Now I will plug it in. Yeah, it works. Okay, of course I need to tie the field screws, but I will ask the customer what was the history of this tool.